Will Avalanche reach new highs this year? Avalanche dropped over 27% in the last week of August following the recent Bitcoin crash we talked about in our last Crypto Weekly update, and has caused fear amongst holders. Click on the banner if you want to catch up on what's been happening in the Bitcoin world. Also, follow the link in the description to check out our intensive crypto course to hone your crypto skills and support the channel. Coming back to Avalanche. After losing over 80% of its value in 2022, Avalanche's native token AVAX has fallen off the list of the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, which begs the question, is there a sale on Avalanche? Let's find out. How Avalanche rivals Ethereum. In the blockchain world, scalability and speed are the biggest roadblocks for decentralized finance projects to go mainstream. Smart contract platforms such as Avalanche and Solana have been chipping away market share from Ethereum by offering people lower gas fees and faster transactions. But speed is good when it comes to crypto, and Avalanche claims to be the fastest smart contract platform in the blockchain industry. They do this by using subnetworks, or subnets as they like to call it, which helps to reduce network traffic and allows the network to be customized. Want to exclude Tim Cook from using the network because of how expensive iPhones are? Go crazy. A subnet is essentially a flexible group of validators trying to reach an agreement on a set of blockchain's current state. On proof-of-stake networks like Avalanche, validators, also known as stakers, can belong to numerous subnets. One subnet can validate several blockchains, and it does that for each blockchain built on the Avalanche platform. Avalanche states that by letting validators pick which subnet to join in order to validate a blockchain, their subnet approach lowers network traffic. Also, by determining which validators are allowed to enter them, subnets can also be created to be private subnets. The Avalanche network also has a default subnet, aka the primary network, which validates a set of 3 blockchains on Avalanche by all the validators. These are Exchange Chain, or X Chain, Platform Chain, P Chain, and Contract Chain, C Chain. Avalanche's X Chain blockchain is used for developing and exchanging digital smart assets. Avalanche's P-Chain blockchain enables subnet development, manages validators, and keeps a close eye on active subnets. And finally, the Avalanche blockchain C-Chain is used to build smart contracts. Avalanche claims that the C-Chain is somewhat comparable to the Ethereum virtual machine. Alternative options to Avalanche. Avalanche's price is $18.86 at the time of filming this in September this year, and there's a good chance that it could drop much more if it breaks the $15 trading range. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below if you think it'll go higher or lower. On January 17, 2022, Avalanche fell to $54, but it managed to recover, going up to $103, giving investors returns of up to 94%. In June 2022, after Bitcoin crossed its 200-week moving average, AVAX fell to a low of $13.80. Can we really expect more from Avalanche in a bad market? For the rest of 2022, we expect sluggish trade with price fluctuations between the $15 and $45 range. Almost halfway through September of this year, Avalanche's market capitalization is $6.67 billion. While we don't expect it to get any higher than Snoop Dogg at the Ellen Show anytime soon, we do believe that AVAX's market will have huge potential in the future if cryptocurrency trading kicks into high gear. Avalanche had a market capital of over $30 billion during the height of the bull market in 2021. We predict that AVAX might reach between 60 and 80 billion during the upcoming crypto bull run. Avalanche is a good choice for a strong and versatile cryptocurrency portfolio. However, considering that it's being held back by the crypto bear market, there could be restrictions if you're looking for possible returns of between 10 to 100x sooner rather than later. The pre-sale of Tamadoge, a brand new and innovative meme coin, has already raised more than $7 million in less than 3 weeks. In fact, we even discussed it in a recent video. Click on the pop-up banner to watch it if you haven't already, because we believe Tamadoge will do better than Avalanche, at least for this year. With its deflationary tokenomics, tax-free transactions, and high utility-based play-to-earn features, Tamadoge is a unique utility-based meme coin. Using their metaverse, which they like to refer to as the Tamaverse, Tamadoge will also explore virtual reality for gamers to experience in 2023. We believe it's possible that Tamadoge could rank among the top 10 best meme currencies in the whole blockchain industry by the time of the next cryptocurrency bull run. So don't forget to check out our video on it. Should you invest in Avalanche? AVAX dropped to the 16th position on the list of most valuable coins at the time of filming this in September 2022, after experiencing a loss of roughly 80% in 2022. The majority of the losses happen in the months of April and May, when AVAX posted monthly losses of more than 41% in April and more than 53% in May because of declining economic conditions and the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. The Level 1 token experienced its third consecutive monthly loss in June due to AVAX's inability to stop the drop. AVAX, one of the top 20 largest cryptocurrencies, has recently recorded a loss of roughly 25% over the last 30 days, making it the biggest loser of the year so far. AVAX is well below its all-time high, which it reached on November 21st of 2021 at $146.22. According to statistics from DeFi Llama, the total value locked in the Avalanche ecosystem has also significantly decreased. From a peak of more than $12 billion in December 2021, TVL on Avalanche fell drastically to only $1.91 billion. Total value locked is the amount of user funds put in a DeFi protocol like Avalanche in this case. But it's not all bad. Avalanche has connections with international businesses like Deloitte and MasterCard. Ava Labs and Deloitte agreed to work together to create a new disaster recovery platform in November 2021 that would use the Avalanche blockchain to facilitate governments in securing federal emergency funds. Ava Labs was chosen by MasterCard later in December 2021 to participate in its MasterCard Start Path crypto initiative, which is responsible for investigating new blockchain technology development opportunities. The Avalanche Foundation also introduced the $290 million Avalanche Multiverse Incentive Program in March 2022 with the goal of accelerating the adoption and growth of its innovative subnet functionality that we previously discussed, as well as for progress in blockchain-enabled gaming, DeFi, NFTs, and institutional use cases. The Avalanche ecosystem also got the Arweave decentralized data archiving solution in April 2022. Arweave can be used to store documents, information, and other types of data. Additionally, later in June 2022, the blockchain oracle Chainlink, which we talked about in another video, launched two new services on the Avalanche chain called Chainlink Keepers and Chainlink VRF. These services allow users to automate smart contract tasks and promote gaming and NFT development. To learn more about Chainlink, click on the banner and watch our video. Additionally, Avalanche launched Bitcoin bridging capabilities in June 2022, allowing Bitcoin owners to have direct access to Avalanche's DeFi network. Also on May 4th, 2022, digital asset manager Valkyrie Funds announced the launch of Valkyrie Avalanche Trust, its newest investment fund that would only invest in AVAX. Avalanche also recently unveiled Core, a native browser wallet that supports both customized Avalanche subnets and EVM-based blockchains. Users of Core will be able to manage their cross-chain digital assets on several networks. Before this, the only way for users to have complete access to the Avalanche network and its ecosystem was to use an EVM-compatible plugin wallet, such as MetaMask, in combination with the Avalanche wallet to access the X and P chains. Conclusion. With all that being said, the AVAX token could trade at an average price of $25.81 by the end of this year, according to the price projection made by Wallet Investor. The need for investors to consider the long term and conduct extensive research has never been higher. Only the top projects can survive in this crypto winter, and finding those projects will be difficult for investors, but Avalanche could be one of the few projects that will come out of this stronger than ever. Although Avalanche has a lot going for it, there are no guarantees, and only you are aware of your financial status and risk tolerance. Purchasing strong cryptocurrencies at a bargain during the crypto crisis has been a hot topic among investors, like a Black Friday sale for crypto. If you believe the project will succeed in the next 10 to 20 years and have other financial arrangements in place, this could make sense. But it's probably best if you don't spend money you can't afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Please leave a comment below to tell us what you think about Avalanche as an investment.